Hello everyone, my name is Joe Tinker, President of 1+1 Technology, Head of Client Operations and Support. We're excited to have you on board with us and we look forward to supporting you as a team. In this video, I'll be sharing with you what to do when you have issues, how to reach support, and what you can expect when our team is on the case. Let's start by discussing support tickets. When you have an issue, it's important you create a support ticket with the 1+1 team. That way, a ticket allows us to identify, track, and resolve your issues in a timely fashion. It's also a way for us to keep track of other potential issues that are occurring that might not otherwise be very apparent. There are 3 ways to create a support ticket with 1+1. First, you should have a card like this stuck to the monitor. That way you have it for quick reference when you want to reach support. So let me cover the different ways that are mentioned on this card. First, there's the help desk icon that's located on your desktop. It looks very similar to what's on my hat. Okay, let me show you how to connect using the help desk chat. Locate the 1+1 chat icon on your desktop. Double click. It's going to default to your default web browser and bring that up. Plug in your information, first name, last name, email, phone number, and also a description of what you'd like to reach out to the help desk for. Be sure to check the box located at the bottom saying remember my information, so for future inquiries it'll be there and easier to launch the help desk chat. Also, if you've had this issue before, please check the second box. Then click Initiate Chat. Once you initiate the chat, it's going to download the file to your system. Click Run. Depending on which browser you have, this may be in a different location. At any rate, wherever it downloads to your desktop, be sure to run that program. Once the program has been ran, it's going to connect you to a technician. Firewalls may block it and you may need to allow access. Click here. As you can see, we've already connected with John. John is now typing. You can see him communicating with you back. That little pencil there is going to show you when they're about to respond. Hi John, just testing the system. Perhaps we should have John connect to our system. When John initiates a connection with your system, it's going to prompt you to allow him to have access. Let's wait for John. Sure thing. And there's the connection. You have about 30 seconds to connect and allow him to have access. Please be sure to read the following information before allowing anybody to connect, and be sure that you only allow the technician from 1+1 to connect to your system. You can see now John's connected and he's controlling the system. Pretty easy, right? Thanks, John. When you're done with the chat, and John knows it, or the technician knows it, they can remove themselves from the chat, or you can click the X in the top right. You'll see John disconnect here. Now, it's time to evaluate the technician. I think he did a great job, so why don't we go through and give him some satisfactory remarks. This is great because it allows us to see where our help desk technicians are doing really well, and some of those who might need some more training on certain areas and issues that they encounter on a daily basis. So be sure to fill this out. And that's it. If for some reason you'd rather pick up the phone and give us a call, or the help desk icon is not available to you right now, please simply give us a call at 866-520-6414 and we'll be happy to assist you. Please note that waiting times do vary depending on the time of day and the number of other tickets that we're working on at that time. Also, that number is located on this card that should be located on the monitor of your system. Here it is again if you don't have it. 866-520-6414. Now, there's one final way you can reach the 1+1 team, and that's through sending us an email. Please feel free to send an email to support@1+1tech.com. When sending an email to support at oneplusoneTech.com, please allow for 24 hours for our team to get back to you regarding your inquiry. This means that if you have an immediate issue that you'd like to have resolved as soon as possible, this is probably not the best way for you to reach out regarding your problem. That way, pick up the phone or use the help desk chat icon on your desktop. Like I said, you should have one of these cards located on your monitor. If you don't, send us an email to support@oneplusoneTech.com and we'll get you one right away. The last part that I'd like to cover is what the help desk does and what they're not able to work on. We like to sum it up with a simple phrase. If it worked yesterday and it doesn't today, our help desk can help with that. Things like, I can't print anymore on this printer that I used to be able to, or I am unable to run a program that I used to be able to before. Things like this are perfect for our help desk because we're able to document and able to have a process in place so that they know how to assist you. Whereas if you want to purchase a new PC, or if you have other issues that you'd like to future plan for, these issues are probably more appropriate for your technical account manager or your VCIO. We hope this video has been informative and now you're ready to reach out and use the help desk whenever you need support. Again, we're excited to have you on board and we look forward to supporting you as a team. Have a great day.